A transportation relic from Ottawa's past is being restored by some local young women who may be the skilled trades workers of the future. Rideau High School was putting its Women in Tech program on display today. Along with male students, female students are working to restore this 1917 Ottawa streetcar just in time for Canada Day 2017, Canada's 150th birthday. The work on streetcar number 696 is intended to teach students new skills and to connect them with Ottawa's past. The 696 is just one of two Ottawa streetcars that still exist, and get this, the other one is in Quebec, where it's being used by two elderly women as a home.